How to format and reinstall Windows 11. First of all, you have to go to your settings. For that, click on the search bar or search icon and then search for settings. Once you're under your settings, now navigate to this menu bar at the left hand side and from there go to system. Once you're under system, scroll down a bit and then from there you have to click on a recovery. So once you're under this recovery option, there you have this reset this PC in order to format and reinstall your PC. So from here you have to click on reset PC. Now here you have two options to choose from. Either you want to keep all your files or if you want to remove everything. So if you wish to remove everything, choose the second option, or if you want to keep your personal file and remove application and setting, you can choose the first. Now after you have chosen your option, on the next page you will be asked how would you like to reinstall your Windows. You can either choose cloud download or local reinstall. So once you have chosen one, from there you can click on next. Or after you choose an option, now you will have an additional settings page. There you can either change the setting by clicking in the change setting and then you can choose or select new settings from there. Or if you like to keep the current setting, you can simply tap or click on next. After that, you will have another prompt that says ready to reset this PC, and there is some sort of information given to you. You have to make sure to read that. Here resetting will remove all of your personal files and user account, remove any changes made to settings, remove all application and programs, and download and reinstall Windows. Once you're sure, you can simply click on a reset button. Now the process will start and your device will automatically restart. And once the device is fully restarted, there you have a prompt to choose your location. So you have to choose your country or region. So follow some screen instructions, and if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can choose that or skip that. And then it's gonna ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. So log in with your account, and in that way you can reinstall or format and reinstall Windows 11. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.